Hi, it's Steve. Today we're going to show you how to change the vertical mullion rail on your French door refrigerator, and it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a 1/4 inch nut driver. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we're going to start by opening both doors, and we can either disconnect the power or you just turn the humidity control off on the control panel. We can close up that right side door, and we're going to flip open that rail to expose this 1/4 inch screw. Simply going to remove that. We'll lift up the whole assembly to disengage it, and we'll just pivot it around, and we'll note that there is a wire harness connector. So lift up on the locking tab, and unplug it. We can then discard the old rail. And we'll take the new rail, and the first thing we'll need to do is to verify which is the top and the bottom. And if you look at these two pieces that slide onto the door itself, you'll see that they're open on one end. And the open end will point down. So we'll next reconnect that wire harness. Make sure the locking tab engages. And we're also going to need to make sure that this tab lines up in the opening at the bottom. So we'll start by pulling everything up as far as it will go. Line up those slots on top and bottom, as well as that center portion. Now, with everything lined up, just push it down into position. Again, making sure that both top and bottom hooks are engaged. We'll then reinstall that 1/4 inch screw. Once you verify that the top and bottom clips are fully engaged, that hole for the screw should be centered. We'll simply replace that screw. Verify that it turns freely. We'll open that right-hand door. Remember to turn on the humidity control. And our repair is complete.